All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, buying the coin, staking the coin, using credit cards like BlockFi credit cards to get the rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good information on cryptocurrency. Today, we're going to be talking about AMP token. It's up about 4% in the last week. There's all kinds of things going on. AMP is one of those tokens that's used in the brick and mortar that literally merchants use it to help with transactions on cryptocurrency. Well, guess what? We're going into the busiest season of the year coming up here with the Christmas season coming. And we just did a video on Amazon possibly thinking about AMP token. And at the beginning of 2022, Amazon's going to actually pick 2 cryptocurrencies to basically use. Well, AMP token being one of the 4 that's on the board. Well, some people actually said to me, don't forget about Walmart. Well, today we're going to be talking about Walmart and cryptocurrency and AMP token. Could Walmart use the Flexa network and AMP token? I mean, again, it uses brick and mortars with the Flexa network. There's already the Sheetz gas stations in the United States, 622 of them that are using the Flexa network to use cryptocurrency to pay at the pump, to get your gas, to get your cigarettes, to get your sandwiches, all kinds of things with cryptocurrency. So with the fourth quarter coming, what's going to happen to the AMP token? Well, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Let's go ahead and head over to AMP token. All right, over here at Coin Market, AMP token is the 65th cryptocurrency right now. It's up about 4% in the last 7 days. So taking a look there, it's up slightly. It's still under 5 cents. Now remember, everybody was saying, some of the people were saying in the comment section that they hope that the AMP token stays under 5 cents so they could load up on the AMP token because they know what's going to happen. Now, again, all our information is for educational purposes only, but the AMP token is at 0.04798. It's down about 0.5% over here in the top right in the last 24 hours. So what is AMP token? So what is AMP token? AMP is described as a new digital collateral token offering insight variable assurance for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP network like Flexa can quickly secure transactions for a wide variety of assets that you in all kinds of cases. So here's the different things it does. How does the AMP work? AMP claims to offer a straightforward interface variable collateralization through a system of collateral partitions, collateral managers, where collateral partitions can be designed to collateralize any account, applications, and even transactions, and carry a balance which are directly variable on the Ethereum blockchain. The collateral managers are smart contracts that can lock, release, and redirect collateral in portions that are needed in order to support the transaction activity. AMP supports a wide variety of cases for collateralization and strategies where enabling special capacities such as collaborative models through which tokens can be staked without even leaving the original address. Now, with all that, let's kind of talk about it, what it means. So there's a store, a brick and mortar, and the owner wants to accept cryptocurrency. Well, what does it know? It knows that it's a hard thing to do the cryptocurrency because literally the transaction times could take 3 minutes, 30 minutes, 3 hours to confirm that the money's there. I know when you do it, send it to your friend, it shows up in your friend's wallet real quick, but just because it shows up in like 10 seconds, it takes maybe 30 minutes to confirm it, or even 2 hours or 24 hours. That's not a good thing when you got people waiting in line and the merchant wants to make sure they're their money. So that's the one thing. The double spend, that's another big thing. AMP token makes it possible that the merchant can accept the cryptocurrency and they go ahead and everything goes through. And in an event that the customer double spends and the money's not there, AMP steps in and collateralizes and pays that merchant the money. The merchant doesn't lose a single dollar. Pretty awesome. Well, now AMP token is going to go ahead and take care of that part. Now, where do they get the AMP token? From all the people that are staking the coin. When you stake the coin, you're going to make your percentages for staking at 3 months, 6 months, 9 months. But they use that staked AMP to actually make the whole system work. With that, let's go ahead and jump back over to one of the websites. So again, at CoinMarket, AMP is the 64th cryptocurrency on the planet right now. What's big in the news here? Well, why AMP will beat Bitcoin. If Walmart makes 100 mil USD per hour, the Lightning Network handles it. Flex and Networks explains. So I just like the fact that we're talking about Walmart possibly accepting the AMP token. So Walmart possibly accepting the AMP token. The solution to the blockchain payment. We have developed the Flexa network as an open standard that enables instant crypto payments in stores and online. This new network is designed to act as the intermediate between merchants and the blockchain, offering the inexpensive and fraud-resistant transactions without the volatility exposure. Flexa enables consumers to pay with their preferred cryptocurrency. That's a cool thing too. The consumers can pay with their Dogecoin, pay with their Litecoin, pay with their Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash. You get to decide what cryptocurrency you want to pay with. So if Walmart or Amazon and these big companies accept it, the consumer, like me and you, we can pay with our cryptocurrency the one we want to. Okay, isn't that kind of neat using the Flexa network here? Also, Flexa was developed for decades of experience, retail and payments. Today, Flexa features many high-profile merchants on the platform. The launch in which marks the first real instance of decentralizing global payments network with the power to make commerce more effective and accessible for billions of people. This is what we're talking about today because it came to the video and we shared it in the AMP House Discovered. You know, and we already knew this, that El Salvador right here adopted Bitcoin. So El Salvador, Bitcoin is legal tender. But look at it right here. And what would happen if Walmart would accept the Lightning? Again, we got Walmart on the news talking about, and we got AMP right there again. AMP with Amazon. AMP token with Amazon. We just talked about that the other day. AMP token with Walmart. And again, we're talking about this because a few of our viewers actually said, don't forget about Walmart. So yeah, Walmart is going into cryptocurrency. That's why we have this channel, to make sure we all learn about cryptocurrency. This is, you know, you kind of wish there's certain subjects they would have taught in high school or college that maybe we didn't learn or whatever. Well, they're not talking about cryptocurrency. So definitely stay plugged into this. Share this with your friends. We're all going to learn this together. And again, just to feature Walmart a little bit more here, Walmart seeks to patent a way for using cryptocurrency. You know, Walmart is actually trying to figure out how to use cryptocurrency. Walmart appears to be pondering whether to test the waters in the world of cryptocurrency, following the steps of Facebook. Yeah, look at all these big companies and stuff. The retail giant applied to a patent to a way to use digital coins tied to the traditional fiat currency, which could allow for a cheaper and faster transaction as a loyalty feature, according to the filing publishing of the U.S. Patent Trademark Office. Again, using cryptocurrency is less expensive than using Visa and MasterCard. And we know, I think it's something like $5 billion or something Walmart pays in transaction fees for using Visa and MasterCard. I don't know the exact number. I think that's that. Well, if they use cryptocurrency, the fee is a lot less. So that's going to save them millions or billions of dollars. I see why these big companies are thinking about cryptocurrency. So right there, everybody, Walmart is thinking about cryptocurrency, and AMP is talked about Flexa network with Walmart. Holy cow, everybody. Jumping over here to the Flexa Twitter account. You know, a lot of good information here. The fastest, most fraud-proof payment network in the world is Flexa. Flexa, again, created the AMP. Flexa also announced last month that they partnered with the GK Software USA, a leading payment software provider providing 10 of the top 50 retailers worldwide. So Flexa and GK Software, you know, that's a big thing. Right here, we knew this already, but the first AMP governance proposal to establish a community grant, well, the grant was passed. So all kinds of good things going on in the AMP token world and the Flexa network. Over here at the AMP Twitter account, AMP is a digital collateral token that provides instant, variable assurance for any real-world application development. You know what, everybody? Most people don't know about the AMP token. Okay, just the other day, October 12th, AMP is now a new listing on Bittrex. That's right. So AMP is going to be featured right here on Bittrex wallet, so that everybody's going to be able to actually, when they use the new listing, they'll be available right here on Bittrex. So if you use Bittrex crypto wallet, you'll be able to actually keep your AMP in there. So another improvement. So back over here at Coin Market, a lot of people in the comment section like this part of it when I go to the holders. So we're going to talk about this real quick. So right now, there are only 47,000 addresses that hold the AMP token. 47,000. Well, what can you compare that to? Well, Shiba Inu has 700,000. 700,000 people own Shiba Inu only 47,000 people own the AMP token. 700,000, 47,000. Litecoin, there's 4.2 million people that own Litecoin. Dogecoin, there's like 4.1 million people that own Dogecoin. 4 million holders of Doge, 4 million holders of Litecoin, 700,000 holders of the Shiba Inu. This is an unbelievable opportunity because we're in the fourth quarter. The biggest buying season is upon us, and we're hearing about Walmart and Amazon and AMP token and Flex the Network. What a fantastic place to be, everybody. But again, on this chart, I just want to show you this. If there was 47,000 people that owned the token 3 months earlier, July 25th, there was only 28,000. That's fantastic growth. 28,000 people to literally 47,000 people in just 90 days. So there's an absolutely awesome growth going on in AMP right now. A lot of people want the coin to stay under 5 cents so they can position themselves. I get that. In June, the coin actually went up over 12 cents. I believe that it's going to get back to 12 cents sometime by the end of the year or the first quarter of next year. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. If you make money off of the different things that we say or you lose money, that's all based on your own information. Again, our information is for educational purposes only here in Frank's Crypto Corner. So with that, AMP token in the news. Guess what, everybody? I believe that this coin is just going to keep going to the moon. I mean, as more and more retailers and more brick and mortar stores start using cryptocurrency, and Flex and AMP are right there with it. I mean, remember Newton, it's a place you can buy cryptocurrency in Canada, just added AMP token. So now our Canadian friends can actually buy AMP token by using Newton. More and more platforms, more and more things are using the AMP token. It's fantastic news. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Click right here to see our most recent video. Monday through Friday, we bring you a video every single day at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays, it's usually around 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And once in a while, we do bring a bonus video to you around 6 or 7 o'clock at night on Monday through Friday. So everybody have an awesome day today. See you tomorrow.